In this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to write a blog with AI in WebStarts. Start by logging into your WebStarts account. Next, select the Blog App panel. Click the AI button in the Blog app. Give your blog a title and press Enter. Kick back and relax as AI writes the blog for you. When AI is finished, you'll be able to edit the blog post if you wish. You can use AI to generate an image for your blog post as well. Click the Insert Image icon and select the AI Images tab. Describe the image you'd like AI to create and press Enter. After a few moments, AI will generate your images. Click on them to insert them into your blog post. This works from your mobile phone as well, and is perfect for creating content while on the go. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.